hot cocoa, milk chocolate.
Oh, yes.
No, never
I
mind.
thought they were different flavors.
Yeah, they're
I'm
different
opening this
flavors,
up
but-
now.
Morning, Kaden. Merry
These
Christmas.
are my
Merry
favorite
Christmas.
ones.
Are they your favorite?
Merry Christmas,
Good.
Con.
Hello.
I need to go get coffee.
Si,
Yeah.
senor, yo soy de rancho.
Merry
Maybe
Christmas,
back.
Mama. Got a fire going in the morning.
What is this?
'Cause we're Americans.
America.
Good morning. My hair's bad as I get older.
We should do like a time lapse of all your hairs, dude. Alright, there's still coffee in here.
Then it might be that one. I don't know if it's good or not. I have scissors.
You need scissors? You can't get it?
That is weird.
Amazon.
It's in an Amazon box.
Alright. What else did you get? Let's see this. Show this to us.
Custom controller, boys.
Custom Xbox controller
Connor Mister.
with your name on it.
Yeah, dude.
Wow.
Got those pink triggers, you know what I mean? Broski?
I like it.
Broski,
US
But
medium.
this is
Do
pretty
you like
sexy.
the color?
Right?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah.
I do too.
Alright.
Yeah.
Does
That's
it have
def-
brown in
That's
it?
right.
What?
Does it have brown and blue?
No.
Or
It's
gray
just
and blue?
Gray and blue.
I like it.
All right. Action.
Tell me when you're ready to take the photo.
Action.
Tell
Go.
me when you're ready.
Go.
Action.
We're doing it.
You ready? Oh, okay. Yes!
This is all he cares about.
This is all I care about.
Let's see what that is.
Oh, there it is. Finally, I knew that one was hit. When was this monitor?
Where's your customized shoes?
I still
Can I
think
see them
it.
again? Now these are customized.
Huh?
Show me how they're customized.
Okay, so first of all, we're gonna start off with the bottom of the shoe. We got black,
Right.
all black, because you know they're gonna
And you
get
gotta-
dirty probably.
You got
a
to
little
choose
bit.
that?
Yeah, I have to choose it.
All black?
Choose all of this. So we got that yellow line, the bright yellow line going around the
Okay.
base. Right, and then we can see the main color here is gonna be like a light blue.
And what inspired the light blue?
It just looks good.
Okay, it just
It's like
looks
my
good,
favorite
inspired
color.
it. Light blue is your favorite color?
Yeah. Baby
Kind
blue.
of like Golden State Warriors light blue.
No.
A little bit more baby blue.
Yeah.
Yeah, baby blue.
Baby blue.
Nice.
Baby blue. And then this purple just comments this blue so much.
It kind of
just
gotta be honest with you. It has a little bit of Laker feel to it,
Really?
like Suave Laker.
You think so?
Yeah, like Rick Fox Lakers.
Look,
So what'd you get?
it's like a little
A
bat.
little bat with your name
It's
on
the
it.
first
It's a
time I've
pen.
ever seen my name engraved on
It's a
something.
pen.
Oh, that's cute.
When you like go to a
That's from Grandma.
yeah, I mean other than maybe
It's a
like a
pen.
custom. Yeah, I know. Oh, it's a pen?
Put it in here.
What the heck?
It's
On
there.
here.
You twist off the
Oh.
bottom. Go at
What
it.
is that? So that's
It's a pen.
that's a
Can I
pen.
go at it, Mom?
So
This
soft.
is
That
cool.
look,
Mom,
you
this
could
is
also
open
use
up
that to
a
kill somebody if you
present.
wanted to.
Yeah.
Mommy, open
It's a
it
weapon.
up, what
I'm
was
gonna go all
it?
John Wick on somebody and just start hitting them with my
No, you
pencil.
stab 'em.
With my pencil.
No, you'd stab him with the pen.
With the pen. Stab.
Stab.
Kind of a long time. Like, come on, give me a
Yeah.
second. Let me just twist this off so I can stab you. There.
See, yeah. Thanks, Grandma, for the weapon.
Thanks, Grandma. Wanna enjoy this?
Weapon, Grandma.
And if I want to just, little tap, I go boop.
You got me the same exact shorts.
Wait,
Oh
what?
no, this is a shirt. I thought this. You
Oh
were
my
like two
God.
of the same.
Oh, that's a cool shirt.
People are gonna think that they're in the Matrix and
I
you're
know, dude.
glitching out.
People are gonna start having seizures around me.
No, that's only if they go to the church.
The church. The traumatizing church service from last night.
At least they're bigger, right, Connor? They're large.
Can you describe that church service last night?
Oh my God, he still has
Vietnam
PTSD from it.
flashback.
I had PTSD.
That was a Vietnam
Don't even
flashback
talk
night.
about it.
Don't even talk about it. It never
That was a
happened.
Vietnam
The drummer boy.
flashback
I'll,
night.
I'll never be able to listen to the drummer boy song again
Drum!
without twitching.
Drum! Drum!
All right, you putting stuff together?
Yeah, like a real man.
Look at you assembling things. I'm so proud. Are you reading the directions, son?
No, I've just watched lots of videos.
So you're not reading the directions, you're just going by feel and pictures?
Well, I
You got the
used
pictures?
something called common sense.
Well, common sense would suggest that you read the directions.
Common sense can't read the directions. They all say ENESDE. Yeah, I just need a coin. There.
A what?
A coin.
You don't need a screwdriver or anything?
No, it kind of just it. Okay. Look at this thing.
Oh, and then it tilts.
Yeah, it tilts.
All right, Christmas was a rousing success. The kids liked their presents. Now I'm going to do my favorite thing, which is watch CNN and make breakfast. Toasting breakfast here. We got bacon going. Saute up some home fries. One good thing about being on the paleo diet is you get to eat a lot of bacon. That's the one good thing.
No, Tyler, look at. I can't see Caden's face. Do
Capturing
regular.
Christmas pictures here.
That looks silly. Tyler, you're not getting any more presents until you do regular.
Tyler gets more presents.
1, 2, 3. That'll make her still real quick. Nope, one for David.
What do you make to do? What do you
Say you
do?
don't get presents
I'm gonna
unless
eat
it's
more
a cheese.
presents now. I'm doing it for David.
You don't get any presents unless you act crazy.
No, we're talking
Unless you act crazy.
No, we're talking. I want you to take a picture.
Okay. Monster's gonna get you?
Kaden is gonna get us.
Monster Kaden?
I need you to be my precious daughter. I need you. Stop. You're so crazy.
Stop it, you're crazy.
I can't take a crazy.
Oh, the shoes are coming off. It's time to get crazy.
Shake it off. Stop it. Shake it.
Shake it.
Shake it off.
All right, so here we are. We've got scrambled eggs,
Oh yeah.
the tortillas. Connor's gonna get our tortilla for Christmas. Is that what you wanted? Right? Still want tortilla for Christmas?
I shake it on my pajamas.
Oh. What did you get for Christmas? Anything good? What? Nine, nine, nine. Da, 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 da. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
All right, Connor, you are building that out, bro.
I know. Making yours,
You going gangsta?
No.
Get off of here, lady.
Throw it over there, Drew.
Oh, she's still going at it.
Yep, she's still going.
Fox? Is that what you wanted?
Yeah.
So push him in.
I'll do it.
Okay. Oh, wait, we've got to push him in all the way. So he doesn't come out.
Hey, Loki.
Go ahead.
No.
That's how we are.
Move your hand though.
Yeah.
Move your hand.
Your mom is the healthy stuff too. Cheerios.
Mom, you can sit here if you want.
My brother would eat like an entire box of like
Okay. Or there's actually a chair right there.
Oh, I'll go.
Oh, around that way. Drew, can you show her?
She got spoon. That's what she wanted. She got. Okay,
Better
buddy.
make sure there's still
Okay,
a present.
buddy.
He just WWE'd that present.
Watch that.
You gotta be like Tyler. You gotta.
Be like Pod, my favorite phrase Pod says is good job. You should be proud of yourself. Good
My
job.
favorite.
What about call the police?
All the police
My
is good,
favorite
but I like
phrase
good
by
job.
him-
You should be proud. You got cut off the other day. It's all good job, lady. You should be proud of yourself.
I'm like it's Peter Rabbit and this is Peter
It's
Rabbit.
Peter Rabbit. I know. Isn't that a great one?
Here's the game.
Get out of there.
Here's the game that I wanted.
Is that the game
Here's
that
the
you
game
wanted?
that I wanted.
What game is it? What game
It's
is
like
it?
the easiest one to follow.
Oh, don't step it. It's a poo-poo game? Is it a poop game?
Yeah, Mama, can you play this?
Oh yeah, so this is this new popular game. I got this for you and Tyler. It's called Don't Step in It. So you have to, you're blindfolded and you have to get across the mat without stepping on the little poops.
Oh, that's funny.
Really fun.
Mommy, this is so gross.
Yeah, what's the mat?
Don't step in it. Don't step in it.
Yeah,
Don't
but-
step in it.
You have to put 5 poops on the mat anywhere you want.
5 poops on the mat.
It only has one.
And then blindfold yourself and spin it, and whatever amount of steps you land on, you have to take that many steps forward.
That's going to be interesting. Are you going to do this, Tyler? Yep.
I would like
You going to do that?
Okay, put it anywhere on the mat you want.
Here.
Okay, now we'll do some lighter food. Go! 1, 2,
It just comes right up.
3. How did you guys do it?
People are looking through that thing somehow.
Right in it!
Loser! Loser!
Calm down.
My turn, it's my turn.
Good. This is your home video.
Stop!
Connor.
She can. 1,
Big ones.
2, bigger.
Bigger.
You'll have to
Don't look down.
1, 2.
Alright, I'm in.
Keep going. Try to go all the way. Just try to go all the way.
No, you can't. You have to go like
Oh, she just cleared it. Tyler, just barely.
I feel like you guys can see.
Oh, wait, do I have to go?
Oh!
She stepped in it. 5 steps starting.
There's a bag of stuff.
Right there. Okay, go. 1.
Oh, you gotta go! Commit! You gotta commit, because you just stepped in.
Hey, I'm willing to donate because I have to go right now.
It's played
Hey, if we're real about this real poop thing, I can donate right now if you want. Alright.
Fun with feces!
Fun with these guys. Pictures of this or just videos?
Just videos.
I want some pictures.
Hi, Tyler. Is he gonna step in it?
Yes, I have to sit with you now. Then when Mom says, Tyler!
I am. Did you step in it?
Yeah. No, now it's your turn.
Oh God, really? My turn? Okay.
Well, this should be
But
good.
I'll put the mask on for you. I'll do it.
But I got to get over there. And that's
I know,
gonna
but
be
you have
hard.
to take your shoes off.
Okay. Okay, let me come over here because
Alright, I'll spin
this
this
could be
for you.
really ugly.
I'm
This
gonna
could
spin
be a
this for
really
you.
ugly selfie stick.
You have to,
Here goes Grandma.
here you go now.
2,
That was 3.
3. Oh, you stepped in it.
You stepped in it.
it makes it fun.
You stepped
Grandma
in the
stepped in it.
poop. You
Grandma stepped in it.
Gross.
Grandma stepped in the poop.
That's disgusting.
Grandma stepped in the poop.
Now it's my turn.
Like, Loki's like, you guys are never happy about my poop, like this
It's
poop.
my turn.